Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to embed YouTube video on X. So let's open YouTube video that you want to share on X, and under it you want to tap share icon, and let's select copy link. Now we'll go to X application and you want to select option to start a new post in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now paste the link that you have just copied. Additionally, you can add some commentary to it. I will do that. And you want to post it by tapping post in the top right. Now if I go to my profile, I will see this video. So here it is. So that's how I can embed YouTube video on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if it helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.